Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make beef stir fry with black bean noodle and vegetable. Let's look at the ingredients. I will list them in the description box below and let's get the cooking started. I will slice or chop the red onion into bite size and then chop the garlic. Slice them and then ginger, once you're done, set aside. And now we'll chop the green onion and cilantro for later use. I will cut them into about 2 inches lengthwise. So let's set that aside. And I will turn on heat over medium-high heat at about 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in ginger, garlic. Stir fry it until it turns into golden brown. That looks good. So I will add in the beef. Continue to stir the beef and garlic ginger together until they are turned into golden brown color. Then we'll add in vegetable later. Oh, the smell is amazing. This is what I am talking about. The color is golden brown and it smells delicious. Now I will add in red onion, bell pepper, tomatoes. For bok choy and broccoli, we will add in a little bit later. We'll stir everything together. We'll cook this for about 2 minutes. Then we'll come back and add in the broccoli and bok choy in there. Alright, now I will lower the heat into medium. And then add in bok choy and broccoli. Now continue to stir or mix everything together until they are very well combined. And we'll let it cook for about a couple minutes, then we'll come back. I will add in about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cups of water in there to prevent it from burning and make it a little bit juicy so that it will taste more delicious. Now I will add in garlic powder, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, and salt in there. Continue to stir everything and mix everything until they are well incorporated or well combined. Now it's time to add in the black bean noodle. This is the black bean pasta noodle, so it tastes really good. If you don't want this, you can use any kind of noodle of your choice. We'll mix everything together. Add in about a tablespoon of fish sauce, tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then mix everything together. It looks so delicious and smells really phenomenal. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more content like this to you all. I appreciate your support. Now let's continue and cook this stir fry. I'm trying to break down the tomato. Now I will let it cook for about a couple minutes until the vegetable is soft. Alright, now it looks good. I turn off the heat and add in green onion, cilantro and basil in there, and then stir everything, mix everything until they are very well combined. Then you're all good. You can take that off from the stove and ready to be served. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful and fragrant. Here is the final result of my beef stir fry with black bean noodle and vegetable. So it tastes really good and delicious. I hope you give it a try. Let me know how you like it, and don't forget to check out my other recipe in this playlist right here. Until next time.